Hey there, Yuha here. Just feel like capturing this moment for memories, for safekeeping. 对于那些了解我的人来说，摄影是我的乐趣，它使我着迷。老实说，我以前只专注于一个主题，我从未想过这种情况会发生改变，直到发生了一些事情。An experience where something was lost, something was found.
Music composition na walang lyrics, walang kanta.
Tendang slow ba? Uy, ito. Ito ba? Nagpipicture ka? Photographer ka? No, ay, hindi magsalita. Be, taga dito ka?
Sorry, I don't understand Tagalog.
Ay! Hi, I'm Bill. And you?
I am Tayo.
Hey, how? Nice to meet you. What's your nationality? Chinese? Are you Chinese?
Yeah.
Yeah, you look like a Chinese person. Anyway, so you're a photographer? Can I see some of your works? Sure. Let's see. Wow. Wow, amazing. It's amazing.
Thanks.
It's really good. Yeah. Can you take a picture of me? You're so good.
Sorry, no.
Why?
Because I usually focus on landscape and buildings, not people.
Why? Because people change easily, but buildings and nature don't. Wow. You're so philosophical. You're really a philosophical. That's. Oh wait. Guys, everyone, walang klase. I told them that there's no class today. So, that's it. Come. You want tusok? Tusok, stick, push. You get a stick and you push the food. So, and you put it in the cup, okay? Okay. So, this one, fish ball. It is made of fish but in ball form. Okay? Then, it's the kikiam. Say kikiam. It's like finger. You eat finger licking good. And this is quack. This is an egg made coated with orange flour. Okay. Pick what you want. Say thank you po. Ay, Tagalog. In Tagalog, salamat po.
Salamat po.
Ulit, mali. Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Very good. Then, you put sauce and whatever you want. This is spicy. Spicy. You eat this. The orange one. What do you call that? Very good! It's right! It's hot, huh? Yummy? Yummy. You, how? Can I see some of your other shots?
Sure.
Sure.
Something my phone.
Let me see.
There.
Wow. It's amazing. Where is it?
It's in Tokyo.
Wow. You've been in Japan? You're amazing.
Hoy, Bill! Bigyan sagot sa pizza.
Ako ba talaga tinanong mo? Si Joshua. Ay, Joshua. Delicious?
Yeah.
Yummy?
Yummy.
Yeah. Yummy. Didn't you say that, that you love landmarks and buildings?
Yeah.
Do you have any plan on visiting here in Batangas? Some here in Batangas, like landmarks here in Batangas?
Sure, but I cannot.
What's that?
I mean, drive, right?
Drive. Oh! Yeah, I know. Jeepney. The jeepney.
Yeah,
You can ride on jeepney on yourself.
I cannot.
Oh, I'll come with you. I'll teach you.
You sure?
Yeah! But in one condition. You teach me Chinese words and I'll teach you Tagalog words.
Sure.
Sure?
Sure.
Sure? Very good.
There.
Yeah. Very good. Oh, eat. Go.
Mm.
Oh, amazing. Amazing shot. Hi. Let's start now.
Okay.
So, this is the Basilica Church. Do you know that it is one of the oldest church here in the Philippines?
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's maganda.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's maganda. So, do you know that the Tagalog word for church is sambahan?
I don't know that. Sambahan.
Say simbahan.
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 Yeah, that's good. You got it already. So, what's simbahan in Chinese? Jiao Ta?
Yeah.
What? Jiao Ta. Jiao Ta. Jiao Ta.
Very good.
Jiao Ta. I'm good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I'm good. You're so good too. Simbahan?
Simbahan.
Yeah. Yeah. Amazing. Let's go. Do you know how to give your fare at the jeepney driver when you're going to your destination? You don't know? You say bayad po.
Bayad po.
Yeah, you say bayad po, then give your fare to the next person or to the person beside you. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. And when you're at your destination, you say, stop the car. Ay, joke. You say, para po.
Para.
Yeah, you say para po when you're at your destination. Like, para po. Say it again. Para po.
Para po.
Yes! Very good! Yeah. Okay, are you ready to our jeepney journey? Sure. Let's go. You tired? I'm tired. Really? So hot? Do you feel hot?
Yeah.
And I'm hot. Do you agree that I'm hot? Why? I know.
I mean, it's so hot here.
Ah, you telling me that I'm not hot?
No, I mean, you are so hot.
Uy! Hey! That was
By the way,
beautiful.
by the way, thank you for being here.
Ay, sure. I love her too. Like, it's beautiful. Uy! Didn't I tell you that I'll teach you a Tagalog word and you teach me a Chinese word?
Oh yeah,
Do you want to know the Tagalog word of beautiful?
sure.
Tagalog word of beautiful is maganda.
Maganda.
You say maganda
Maganda.
with accent. Maganda!
Maganda.
Very good.
Oh yeah.
The Chinese word for maganda is Really?
Yeah. Maybe.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yes.
Let's buy something.
Yeah, it's so hot.
I'm
Let's buy
thirsty.
some drink.
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
It's really beautiful here.
Yeah, it's really,
Yeah, yummy. What's
it's amazing.
that? Yeah, it's yummy.
Yeah.
Do you know where we're at?
Where we at?
We're at the Hope, the Philippine Arts. Yeah, you can actually see the creativity and talent of the Filipino artists.
So how about
Another word, art. Art. Art in Tagalog is singing.
singing?
Yeah, you're good na, huh?
So we should Lishi.
Lishi?
Yeah, it's history.
What's that?
in Chinese.
Ah, it's history.
Yeah, Lishi.
Museum showcase the history of art. Ah, grabe. It's really nice. Amazing. Amazing. It's really, really good. Yeah. We're here, Nathalan. It's beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Do you want to go somewhere?
Sure.
Let's go there.
Okay.
Sit here, Yuan. Do you know why this place is so special to me? It's because when I was little, I came here with my dad and it's so sad. He died in front of me and that's the time when I also wanna die. The point that I almost died because I'm trying to save him. But then someone stopped me. I'm so thankful to him because he stopped me from that misery of
This is
what?
look.
Wait, that's me!
Yeah, that boy, that's me.
You're that boy who saved me?
哇，没想到是你变了，你变得跟之前完全不一样。Oh, sorry. I mean, I didn't know that's you because you changed, you're a bit better.
OMG! What's this?
太 big 了，
Thank you.
朋友。
Hangyo.
Yeah,
I'm so happy to see you again.
yeah, I'm sorry.
see. Caught on the nose, but you never leave her. Heart by the clover is starting to chafe. And when she gets this gun, he's begging, babe, stay, stay, stay.